Okay, we got this good old Cleereman drill. It's got a round table on it here so you can do round circle hole patterns and stuff easy. It's got a powered down feed on it. It's got a slide here that slides up and down. You got this thing here, you can run the whole head up and down. And you got the table down below. It's got locks on it. It's locked real tight right now because I got to move it here. But anyhow, it also has a spindle here. It works really good. You know, the Spindle Quill. Right now, it's at the highest speed. It's at 1500 RPM. It sounds pretty good for 1500 RPM. That's the power feed shaft going around right now. It'll take a lot of time to get it down to the right. And then I'll just go. That's 800 RPM. Pump it reverse a little bit here. It's designed to be instantly powered and reverse, forward and reverse for tapping. So, it's 130 RPM, but it goes all the way down to 75 RPM for some heavy tapping. Put a big tap in here and you can turn it. We got a power down feed right here. It goes real slow. You can see it's moving right now. But it has a dial on the other side for depth. It's got 12-inch quill travel here. It's a good old machine here. It's wired 220 volt. It's got all the handles here for locking things up and cranking stuff around.